Oh hey guys, Eddie Going here, just making a quick video about my TopUnique hair system. I'm going to do a little hairline adjustment and I figured I would take you all along for the ride. So TopUnique's tagline is where uniqueness meets perfection. So one of my whole things is I really like it when the hairline is absolutely perfect, and I'm going in for a service tomorrow to actually have this system fit and fitted. But this one on my head is doing really well. The hair is still in great shape, it's not thinning, but I noticed a video of me holding a little puppy yesterday and I'm not loving this side of my hairline. So now it might have been perfect when I first had it put on, but since I've reattached it a couple of times, it's not so perfect. So you need some really sharp scissors and you want to err on the side of less is more, because if you do too much, then you can't put it back. So let's do this together. And we're just going to err on the side of less. So I'm cutting in a downward motion as you cut. Now sometimes with these systems, the hairline starts to thin. So you or your stylist can actually trim the hairline as that starts to happen. So as you're seeing now, this is already looking a little bit better, in my opinion. I also like a very straight hairline because I grew up on Staten Island. So even though it might not look 100% natural to you, if you go out to Staten Island, you'll see that I blend right in with everybody out there. So this is good to do when you're getting the system touched up, because now I'm going to take this system off anyway because it is already starting to lift a little. But yeah, look, then a little trim, and I'm happier with that now. I'm happier with that hairline. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Now I gotta go stick a Butterfinger under here so I can make a video of me pulling it out. Maybe a Twix. Maybe I'll use a Twix. All right, bye.